Polling is the active monitoring of your network with WhatsUp Gold. By default, polling is handled by the local poller integrated within WhatsUp Gold. You can extend its polling capacity by adding scalability pollers. These are separately installed on remote machines that point back to the main WhatsUp Gold server. They allow WhatsUp Gold to monitor more devices by distributing the polling load across multiple pollers. This helps in managing larger networks more efficiently by ensuring that the primary WhatsUp Gold system isn't overwhelmed. Consider adding a scalability poller when you meet one or more of these criteria: a high device or monitor count exceeding the capacity of the local poller, performance issues such as lag, slow response times, or missed polls, a network that is geographically distributed across multiple locations, a high polling frequency required by your organization, or complex monitoring features like performance monitoring, application monitoring, or custom scripts. Scalability pollers are available with enterprise-level licenses. If you navigate to Help About, you will see a pollers item indicating the number of pollers you have used and the number available to you. 1 of 1, for example, indicates that only the local poller is allowed under your license. To install a scalability poller, first locate the installation file on your WhatsUp Gold server. By default, this file is stored in the Ipswich WhatsUp Poller Install directory. Be sure that it is from the exact version of WhatsUp Gold that you are currently running. Copy this file to the remote machine. Before you continue, be sure that the machine on which you plan to install the scalability poller has the same access to the network as the WhatsUp Gold server. Specifically, the network configuration must allow for ICMP, SNMP, and WMI protocols. Be sure you have local admin privileges for the host machine. The Windows account from which you install the poller must have a known password. You will be prompted to enter this password during the poller installation process. Ports 9713 and 9730 must be open between the WhatsUp Gold server and the host machine. Finally, Microsoft.NET is required on the host machine. During the installation process, you'll have the opportunity to install .NET if needed. To install the scalability poller, run the setup program and follow the prompts. After the installation is complete, open the WhatsUp Gold Service Manager and confirm that the nmpoller.exe process is running. Now you need to configure the new poller in WhatsUp Gold. Navigate to Settings, System Settings, Polling Configuration, and click Add. Enter the scalability poller name that you used during installation. By default, the poller is enabled for load balancing. This is designed to improve poller performance by distributing an equal number of devices to each poller to reduce poller lag time. Alternatively, you could clear the load balancing checkbox and instead assign individual subnets or devices to the scalability poller. Configure this by expanding the subnet section or the individual devices section. After you click Save and return to the polling configuration dialog, you should see that the scalability poller is now online and running. If not, try clicking Refresh. If you selected the load balancing option, devices are automatically transferred to the scalability poller from the local poller. Or, if you specified devices or subnets, those devices are added to the scalability poller. Remember, the scalability poller must be running on the exact same version as WhatsUp Gold. If you update WhatsUp Gold to a later version, you must also update the scalability poller. Thank you for watching this video on how to add a scalability poller to WhatsUp Gold.